Welcome to this video. I am really excited to address you. Hope you are fine and safe by the grace of the Almighty. Today, in this video, I am just going to draw your attention for a few minutes. I shall be dealing with the current scenario and the tips to overcome that. Also, you will be able to meet some real life heroes whose stories you have never heard before. I am sure you will enjoy this video. Now let us begin with the warm-up session. Can anybody guess the expansion of ants? A stands for anticipate. This means being ready to act or to initiate. N stands for navigation. This speaks to having a sense of direction. T stands for tireless. This is the ability to work and execute relentlessly. S stands for social. This is about interacting, engaging, and participating. Isn't it wonderful? We can learn a lot of qualities from an ant. Now take a glance of the philosophies of ants. Here we have the 5 philosophies that we can learn from ants. Ants have no commander. Ants don't need a commander. You tell them to get started, they work faithfully and need no outside accountability to keep them doing the right things. They work hard and will replace their anthill when it gets ruined. If you want to apply this in your real life, be proactive, be honest to yourself, and be industrious. Ants plan ahead. Ants think winter all summer long. They store provisions in summer. They think the clock is running out of time and they hurry to their hive. You can apply this in your life by planning ahead to secure your future. Ants stay positive always. Ants remind themselves that winter does not last long. They know they will be soon out. Whatever happens in your life, it will not last forever. This too shall pass. Ants never quit. They only change their approach. If they are going somewhere and you stop them or block their pathway, they will look for another way all around till they find another way. Always learn to embrace struggles and hardships in your life. Be flexible like ants who never quit. Winners are not quitters. Ants always do their best. Ants always work hard till their mission is accomplished. Give your best in everything you do right now. It will always lead you to greater things in your life. Hope you have got the 5 philosophies of ants. Always remember that courage isn't always a lion's roar. It's also the silence of ants working patiently, persistently, and never giving up. Always train your mind to see good in every situation. My dear students, our happiness and sorrow are controlled by us. So seeing the positive in all the aspects is very important. Right now, we are in the middle of a crisis that has affected the whole world. We are on war against the unseen deadly pandemic virus, a war that has changed a lot of things in our daily life, not just for us, but also for people all around the world. We all have to overcome this pandemic with great courage and determination. Do not consider this lockdown as an isolation. Think positively. It is an opportunity to stay at home with whom you love. Stop saying that you are bored, upset that you can't leave the house. You are in the best place you could be. You are at home, surrounded by your loved ones. Perhaps it is the time to transform your house into a wonderful place to stay, a place of peace and not of war. Place of embrace and not of distance. Anyway, Look with different eyes at the situation you are experiencing. Be positive. By making some changes, you can make this pandemic a fruitful one. Make your house a place of worship. Pray frequently, meditate constantly, do yoga and breathing exercise regularly. Ask, thank, plead, and praise the Lord. Make your house a place of recreation. Exercise regularly. Aerobic exercises can still be done within the walls of your home or the compound of your apartment, such as walking, running, or climbing stairs. Exercising helps release endorphins within your system, which play a vital role in elevating your mood and keeping a positive attitude. Stretching exercises and yoga also help keep you fit and your mind calm. Subscribe to easy to follow YouTube videos or fitness and wellness websites for simple exercise regimens to do at home. Take a break. The constantly negative news can be a lot to handle. Decide the amount of exposure to the news that works for you. Ever so often, disconnect physically and mentally from anything to do with the coronavirus coverage. Play with puzzles, read a book, reorganize, or clean instead. Connect with others. During these times of uncertainty or fear, it is essential to connect with others. Being in isolation and all the unwarranted fear can lead to stress and depression. Reach out to family and friends regularly through phone calls, messages, or emails. Check on those who are living by themselves and the elderly members of your family. It also helps to rationalize your fears and be informed on how they are doing. Make your house a health center. Take adequate rest. Stress and anxiety created by the evolving news and information overload can be aggravated by a lack of sleep. Getting the recommended amount of sleep aids in managing stress and staying focused during the day. Having a bedtime routine is also recommended, such as taking a bath or having a cup of herbal tea or herbal drink before you go to sleep. Planning for the next day also helps elevate stress due to uncertainty. Maintain a healthy diet. Unnecessary stress can cause you to overeating or eat unhealthy, adversely affecting your metabolism. Avoid emotional eating by identifying trigger factors and keeping away from the urge. Keep healthy snacks around you, such as fruit bowls, nuts, or health drinks. Good nutrition also keeps your immune system healthy. Practice good hygiene. Be extra vigilant and follow the precautions that have been advised. Keep yourself clean and sanitize regularly. Make sure you take a bath every day and are maintaining a daily personal hygiene routine. Also keep your surroundings clean. Make your house a self-discovering place. Find ways to express yourself, whether by putting pen to paper, capturing videos, chatting, cooking, gardening. Expressing yourself helps to cope with your feelings. You can either write extensively or just a line a day, as long as you find a hobby that works best for you. This keeps the stress away and gives you something to look forward every day. Get organized. Being at home all day may inspire you to reorganize your library or rearrange your wardrobe. Taking up a small project at a time and completing it can give you a sense of achievement. This can also bring some changes that you may have always wanted but didn't have the time for. Offer to help people when you can. If you need help with groceries or medications for someone at home, do not hesitate to ask for help. Similarly, if you are stepping out, you can take a list of errands from elderly or sick people who cannot get out. Helping people out gives you a sense of fulfillment and calms a restless mind. Innovate your skill and talent. Due to the busy schedule of study and preparation, the students are unable to find their skill and talent. The innovation of talent requires lots of timing, effort, and dedication. Well, it is quite difficult to find it on regular days. Therefore, it is the best timing where you can innovate your talent and skill together. You have a choice to do singing, music, dance, drama, poetry, and painting. Let's find your innovative talent and skill. Due to the situation of COVID-19, the schools are unable to provide the co-curricular method to innovate your talent and skill. Therefore, it is a responsibility of parents and the interest of the students to upgrade this section. Organize your lifestyle. Due to the busy routine, we also forget to organize our life cycle. We do not organize our life perfectly. We also forget what next to do in our life. Therefore, it is the best timing where the students can organize their life and career. They can think about their career more broadly and deeply. Online classes. When you are stuck at home, this is the best time when you can apply for an online classes related to your personal interest and talents. You can also do some additional courses to upgrade your talent in the future. The courses generally relates to their talents and hobbies. These courses will be very useful in the future. This is the best way to improvise your talent and skill. Hence, being in quarantine is no fun, but the students get confused. Therefore, it is our responsibility to provide you the best way to spend time at home. You can do the above activities to get rid of boringness. Make your house a school. Whenever needed, read, write, revise your lessons. Draw, paint whenever bored. Study something new. Teach someone what you know. Develop few life skills. Learn some new things. Collect information and develop your general knowledge. Make your house a mini library. Read a lot of books. Reading not only enhances your knowledge but also shapes your personality. You can read good story books or the inspiring stories of great people. Make your house a place of entertainment and inspiration. Entertain yourself. Get comfortable and get ready to commit hours of your life to view someone else's drama. Pick up a hobby like planting flowers if you have an interest in gardening, or try out new recipes and create something. Be patient and start with a basic recipe to discover a possible hidden talent in you. You can also entertain yourself with some indoor games. Get inspired. One can get inspired by watching new videos of different motivational speech, different art and craft ideas, by learning slogans, quotes, and etc. You can simply implement such motivational speech, arts, and ideas to expand your personal growth at a time. It is also one of the best ways to spend time at home for students during the lockdown. Now here are some general tips which should be followed to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Clean your hands often. Use soap and water or an alcohol-based hand rub. Maintain a safe distance from anyone who is coughing or sneezing. Wear a mask when physical distancing is not possible. Don't touch your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cover your nose and mouth with your bent elbow or a tissue when you cough or sneeze. Stay home if you feel unwell. If you have a fever, cough, and difficulty in breathing, seek medical attention. Calling in advance allows your healthcare provider to quickly direct you to the right health facility. This protects you and prevents the spread of viruses and other infections. Mask. Mask can prevent the spread of the virus from the person wearing the mask to others. Masks alone do not protect against COVID-19, and it should be combined with physical distancing and hand hygiene. Follow the advice provided by your local health authority. Simple steps like these can help bring a sense of normalcy and help you cope with the changing environment. Reach out to a counselor telephonically if you are unable to manage your anxiety on your own. Ensure that you don't give in to panic and stress, as it compromises your immunity in the long run. Once you replace negative thoughts with positive ones, you will start having positive results. If you have a positive attitude and constantly strive to give your best effort, eventually you will overcome your immediate problems and find you are ready for greater challenges. Not having the best situation, but seeing the best in your situation is the key to happiness. Make your house, your family, a place of life and friendship, place of learning and empowering. Make the best possible use of this once in a lifetime opportunity. Overcoming adversity is character building. It shapes us into who we are and who we will become. It creates the confidence to overcome the obstacles. Let us see a list of achievers who have overcome obstacles with flying colors. The story behind the success of Govind Jaiswal, IAS officer. Govind, the son of an illiterate rickshaw vendor in Varanasi, had grown up with cruel taunts like, "However much you study, you will still be a rickshaw puller." He had studied with cotton stuffed in his ears to drown the noise of printing machines and generators below his window in a poor neighborhood where small workshops existed cheek by jowl with tiny residential quarters. He had given Max tuitions to supplement the paltry sum his father could afford to send him each month. His ailing father had sold a small plot of land to give Govind about Rs 40,000 so that he could move to Delhi, which would provide him a better place to study. Throughout his life, he had lived with only one dream: to become an officer of the Indian Administrative Service. For him, that was the only way. And when he broke the news to his family that he was ranked 48 among 474 successful candidates in his first attempt at the exam, it was the turn of his three sisters and father to weep with unbridled joy. Hardships of Prema Jayakumar, CA topper. The tenement that she calls home is all of 280 square feet where she and her family live. She said, "I didn't go to any coaching class for my entrance and chose to join coaching classes only for final exam. I received scholarship from my class, so I didn't have to pay for them," she said. "They found me cleverer and brighter than others. The scholarship meant that my parents didn't have to worry about my educational expenses." The dark side of MS Dhoni. A 20-year-old MS Dhoni came to Kharagpur in search of a job and worked as a ticket collector for 3 years. Today, he is India's most successful captain ever. The struggle behind the success of Ravindra Jadeja. He used to survive on a mere 10 rupees a day. His father was a watchman in a shopping complex and he always wanted his son to join the army. His mother worked as a nurse and spent a considerable amount of her earnings on Jadeja's kit. Jadeja lost his mother at 17 and that so devastated him that he wanted to quit everything. But then he remembered his mother's last wish to see her son successful with the national colours. Today, Jadeja is one of India's leading all-rounder. The dark side of Shah Rukh Khan, Indian actor. Shah Rukh Khan revealed that when he came to Mumbai, he did not have money to eat. He even slept on roads for many days near Oberoi Hotel. Shah Rukh Khan also recalled that in those days, he did not even know that there was Mumbai beyond Haji Ali. Hardships of the life of Abhishek, IIT cracker. Abhishek, a shoe mender's son, living in a filthy, congested and neglected area of Kanpur, cleared one of the hardest to rock exam of India, the IIT JEE in 2010. Now he is a proud IITian, and that too studying in IIT Kanpur, one of the 5 best IITs in India. Abhishek's family consists of his parents and 3 younger brothers. The father mends shoes and his mother stitches and mends clothes to run the family. Abhishek too helped his father and mother during the day in their jobs. At night, he would study for 5 to 6 hours. With the meager amount that his parents would earn, they would feed a family of 6 as well as buy the necessary study material and stationery for Abhishek. Mark Zuckerberg, the founder of Facebook, the 27 years old technology geek who, like other Americans mentioned in the list, is a college dropout, is the founder of Facebook, the famous social networking site. He is known to run a company almost used by 500 million people across the world. Sudha Chandran, actress and classical dancer. This Indian actress and classical dancer needs no introduction. She met with an accident when she was just 16. Doctors missed a small wound in her ankle and plastered it, which later got infected, and there was no alternative left but to amputate her leg. With her prosthetic Jaipur foot, she became one of the most popular and acclaimed classical dancers of the country. Dear children, today I have shared with you some tips and techniques to overcome this stressful pandemic situation. Do try all these things and equip yourself with good thoughts and actions. The key question to keep asking yourself is, are you spending your time on the right things? At this moment, all you have is time, and you may find one day that you have less than you think. Keep in mind that you yourself are the biggest motivator. The day your inner self is awakened towards any goal, nobody can stop you from reaching that goal. So start motivating yourself and start walking towards your goal. All the best. Thank you.